Welcome to How to Solve. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the Jawa camera app not working. So first of all, open your app store and search for Jawa camera app, and then make sure that you are running the latest version of the app and update if you have to. Check if it fixed the issue, but if it doesn't, we need to clear app cache. And to do that, simply open your phone settings and then scroll down to General. Tap on that and then tap on iPhone storage. Find the Jawa camera app and then tap on that. Then, tap the offload app and tap again to confirm. And after a few seconds, the reinstall button will show up. Tap on that to reinstall the app and check if it fixed the issue. But if it doesn't, we need to completely reinstall the app. And to do that, follow the solution 2, and once you are on this page, simply click Delete App to completely uninstall the app. And once the app is uninstalled, open your app store and then search for Jawa Camera app. And then install the app. And hopefully, this will fix the issue. Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.